Hi, Judd here. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, finally, at last, thank God. And so that means it's Bondo time. We do a little more work on this. And I'll point out right up front, one thing I didn't do that I've learned since is I didn't hammer in the remaining metal so that it actually had Bondo on top of it. So I've got edges sticking up. So I'm going to try and hammer that in. We'll see what happens. And that and other things. Stay tuned. This is my Bondo box, everything I'm using to repair the car. Hear all the rust inside falling down. Yeah, this ain't working too good. Okay, that worked. Good. I'm going to have to get an awl. Just another one. Right. We got a warmer. Almost processed. There we go. Okay. Putting some surface now. No doubt. And on surface. And then we'll use it. I have to go to the like this. I'm going to feel like that. It's reformed places. Around to the other side and see if I can get this on there. That just needs a little. Okay, good. Good on that. Okay, we're hiring me up already. Yep, that's it for that. Okay, good. That was good. That was a good one. Okay, so that's it for the Bondo for the moment. We'll let that set up. This is a new spray bottle I got from Zepp. Zepp makes good cleaning stuff, but this is a bleach resistant sprayer. So it's better than the regular sprayers. Because the regular sprayers, you put anything other than water in them and they get all messed up. But what we got the rust inhibitor, rust converter. And there's areas over on the other side I'll show you where it's going to be a lot better to spray it. This was Dave's idea, to spray it. He was thinking of the whole underbody, but I got a spot on the other side. We'll go take a look at that now, and I'm going to spray it with the rust inhibitor. Right down there you can see I got some nasty rust, and this is actually 2 layers thick. There's a front side to this and a back side to this, and there's rust inside here. So I've already busted out the really loose stuff there, and I'm going to hit that with a hammer, because now I know to do that, and prep this, and then I'm going to spray it with the rust inhibitor. I will also note that after I spray it with the rust inhibitor, I'm going to thoroughly clean this bottle to help preserve the mechanism in here. Oh. Whoa, baby. A lot of dirt in there too. Stupid design here. There's a wheel well cover for this, and it breaks off very easily. And once it breaks off, all the dirt gets thrown up and contained in this little cubby here and just rots away everything. Poor design. Poor design. Yeah. Wow. Not really a lot you can do down here without rebuilding the car. But we'll hit it with rust converter. Okay. Actually, I'm not going to spray that. That I can brush. There's nothing in there I can't brush. It was under here. When I get under here, that's when I'm going to need the spray bottle. Okay. So you get the air compressor. Good. Okay, now that'll be ready for Bondo. I'm going to let that set up overnight. I don't know how long that stuff needs to actually dry, but I'm just going to let it set up overnight. You can see I did some patching in there, so we got some more buildup on there to work with. And then over here on the other side, pleased that I went ahead and hammered that metal in, because now I'll have a better surface with no little metal bits sticking up. Next time I'll know, which I did, because I already did it on the other side. And you know, warm up my gas cap here. So we'll continue all this tomorrow, hopefully, if it's a nice day. And meanwhile, I got some more yard work to do. So happy day to you. Mm.